Refusing command, hurling breakfast, lands Tommy Lee in the hospital. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. If you haven't subscribed to Yard and Abroad TV, people, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. It will be greatly appreciated. So news coming out of Jamaica, people. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee ends up in the hospital. Yes, you heard that correctly. So people, it goes on to say dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta was on Monday hospitalized after an altercation with correctional officers at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in downtown Kingston. The Department of Correctional Services, though not naming the inmate involved in Monday's altercation, confirmed the incident in a release on Monday afternoon, saying that the inmate was subdued after failing to comply with instructions and hurling breakfast at the correctional officer. Reports received from the acting superintendent on duty are that the inmate refused to re-enter his cell following the distribution of breakfast. Upon repeat of the command, the inmate hurled his breakfast at the staff officer in retaliation. He was subdued by the officer and both parties received injuries. The Department of Correctional Services released said. The release also said that after being taken to the medical orderly on the compound of the institution for examination, the inmate was transferred to a public hospital for further treatment. On Monday, Tommy Lee's management team, Boss Lady Music Incorporation, said in a release that it is monitoring everything very closely. The statement goes on to say, "This is to inform all supporters, friends, family, and fans that we are aware of the situation with our dear family member and client, Leroy Jr. Russell, aka Tommy Lee Sparta. We are monitoring everything very closely. We truly appreciate all your prayers and positive vibrational energy for his speedy recovery," Boss Lady Music said. The Blessings DJ attorney Donahue Martin also said he is closely monitoring the situation. In the meantime, there are reports that the situation at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center is tense after the incident. The Department of Correctional Services said an investigation has been launched into the incident. Yeah, people, so that's the situation I go on in the prison right now. I'm going to play a video that was taken, I'm assuming, by one of the inmates in the prison on one of their phones, people. I'm going to play you a video. You can't really see nothing because I'm trying to make out what the inmate I talk about, but you can't really see nothing in the video. The inmate I say, "Oh, he might get kneel and them beat him up and thing," but this is what the video looks like, people. I don't know why I'm using recorder, if it's a Nokia 3310 or what, but the video you can barely see nothing. Check out the video.
Man, I kick him out dog in the face, so. Man, I kick up, yo, charge it, I need the man, them knee in the face, how I go, you know. So charge it, man, I kick up the man in the face like the man a pit there. Send the man for go send go murder a couple of them, you know. I said, I'm doing some whole while left for the summer half in them sitting there with them boy, you know. All the boy when you watch it, whole heap of them for one man.
Yeah, man, as I was saying, you can't really see nothing in that video there. So, me can't tell where him a talk about. And also, people, there was videos of him being escorted into the hospital as well. You see me check out them video, people, alright? Yeah, man, people. So that's how I go on to the people with Tamale Sparta. If you're in a prison, you have to obey what the correctional officers them say. You see me, you can't feel say you run this like how you run road. You see me, people, you have to obey law and order. You have to do that, you see me? But as me say, and the article says, situation is tense right now because you don't know, say Tamale probably have him bridging them in there and things. So you know how that go already. You see me, people? So situation tense at the moment. So when we get more information, I will update you guys and making a know what go on with this. You see me? Bless up yourself from Yard and Abroad TV, people. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and support Yard and Abroad TV channel, alright? Bless up in yourself. Loving up people, alright?
Vale,